Hey, welcome, John from Palm Beach Customs, and this video here is on a '79 Jimmy out of New Mexico. It was owned by a pastor and had no rust, and I'm restoring it, and I'm going to give you a little update of what we're doing to it. What I did is I stripped the sheet metal down to bare metal, and we removed all the old moldings. We're going to do just nice clean look, and I cleaned up the underneath of the vehicle. Like I said, there was no rust, all new chassis black with undercoating, and we went with full stainless dual exhaust. It has a 400 small block, original 400 with like 90,000 on it. It purrs like a kitten, all tuned up, fresh oil change. All the front end has been cleaned up. Your brakes are good. I did all new door rubbers, and we're going to have new belt moldings. I haven't installed them yet. And we did a new, so everything around the doors is going to be brand new. And we did some interior work, a brand new headliner, and a full carpet set. And it's like sandalwood poly, brown metallic. We got the new door rubbers in. Brand new dash pad. And it's got the full back seat. And you can see how clean the inside of the cap is. Everything's really clean on this truck. Like I said, 90,000 original, and it was owned by a pastor. When the cap comes off the truck, this part stays. So it's got the solid cap for the half cap, but the whole rear cap comes off, for the K5 Blazer look. And I went with brand new set of 17-inch KMC rims. We're going with the black wheel look. I think I'm going to black out the bumpers on this, and you'll see the paint. We're going to go with a really deep forest green, and we're thinking about the sand poly.